Hi everyone. Alright, I'm gonna try to do a makeup try on video this weekend. I wanted to show you, at least for Friday, what I got new in my collection. Let's see. I got the Viseart Apricot Lumiere. It's French. Excuse me. All the names are on the back of the shadows. It's a beautiful little book. It looks like this. And then you open it up and you have this color story, which I think is great for spring. So, I think I'm gonna try this one next. In an Ipsy haul, I picked up this Dibs Palm Palette in Peaches in Hand. I just want to try their eyeshadows. They make a cream blush and bronzer that everyone went crazy over at Ulta. So this showed up in Ipsy, so I'm like, I want to try it. It had a good discount. This Dior number 640 in nude dress I picked up. It retails for $72, but I got it for like $1.19 because I had points at Ulta. So this is the new formula, which I really can't. I'm excited. Dior makes their makeup in France, and I do like this formula. I like their past formula. We'll see. We'll see about the new one. I got the new Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. It looks like this, the packaging. It has the names on the back. It's a nude neutral. It's mattes and metallics. It looks like that. I thought it was cute, so I got it. Not that I needed it, but I'm excited to try that. Put that in my little drawer. I picked up from Sephora this Adam Lishushu lip softening balm. I don't go crazy and buy lip balms. I bought it because there's an AHA and a BHA in it, and I was curious. This is in the new color Chateau Rose. It's got a metal tip applicator that looks like that. It's very cooling on the lips. So, we'll see. These blushes, well, the lip and cheek tint by Ilia. I have Olive Me, which looks like that. They're sheer. I thought, such a pretty color. I have Dreamer. Looks like that. I have, what's this? In the Mood. It's like a nude. Looks like that. Again, they were really discounted. And this is a fine romance. It's like a wine color. Looks like that. So, I was excited to have these in my collection. And that's all I'm going to show you today. That's all I'm going to show you today. Well, anyways, I've just been too tired on the weekend to come into the makeup room and sit down and do a makeup video. I know. I've stopped using Uber Eats, well, except for groceries, which is a good thing. That's part of the health thing that I was struggling with, is that I order Uber Eats every day. And I can't do that anymore. So I've been eating salads. I use Uber Eats to pick up last minute things at the grocery store. So I hope you're all doing well. We're supposed to get some 70-degree weather coming up one of the days. Hopefully all this blizzard snow will melt away. We have quite a large snow pile. Well, thanks for sticking around and chatting with me. Oh, and to let you know, I work a 9-to-5 job. So if I don't respond back to you right away, it's because I'm working. And I had someone who made nice comments on Instagram, and I haven't responded back to them. And it's been a couple of days, well, almost 24 hours, I would say. So just know that I do look at 6 o'clock. I look at my social media. I'm sorry, but I gotta do my job. That's what pays the bills. And I know you understand. So until my next video, bye.